Picture an old skull dug up from China's soil that flips everything we know about where humans come from. This ain't no sci-fi story, it's the real deal. In 2025, scientists with crazy cool tech rebuilt a million-year-old skull. This skull says our ancestors, the brainy humans, might not have come from Africa at all. Maybe our roots are in East Asia, not Africa. They call this skull the Dragon Man, and it shows our origins are 500,000 years older than we thought. What if this proves modern humans came from a whole different continent? Does that mean we gotta toss out our history books? Maybe we're way closer to mysterious folks like Denisovans than we ever guessed. This skull's practically screaming that the human story's way more complicated than we thought. In this video, we're diving into a wild ride back in time. You ready for an adventure into the heart of human history? Let's roll!
Deep in the damp, dark caves of China's Hubei province, where ancient rivers used to flow, a team of explorers got to work. They used 3D scanners and AI to pull a huge secret out from under the dirt. They found a skull, now called Yunxian 2, from a weird creature a million years ago. This skull wasn't like upright humans or our African ancestors. Back in 1990, they dug up this fossil, but it was so beat up, they didn't know what it was for years. Scientists used precise scans and digital rebuilding to figure out this skull's full of mysteries. Its brain was bigger than they expected, with a wide face and eyes close together. Those traits are just like a mysterious group called the Dragon Man, kin to Denisovans. Denisovans were an ancient bunch whose genetic stuff still runs in Asian and Oceanic folks' blood. With high-tech scans and sciencey analysis, they learned this skull's super close to Denisovans. Now picture this real story. A million years ago, when Africa was the hub for humankind, a group of our ancestors took a detour and after a tough journey landed in East Asia. Those trips were full of danger, from raging rivers to bone-chilling cold. In Asia's thick jungles packed with giant beasts like stegodon elephants, these folks built themselves up. They got used to changing weather and picked up new traits, like their brains got bigger so they could think better and solve problems. Yunxian 2, a beefy hunter with thick brows and a short forehead, was the boss of a small tribe. Picture this guy planning with his crew how to take down a massive elephant. With stone tools they made themselves, they geared up for hunting. They weren't just sharp hunters, they knew how to control fire too. Maybe they bumped into other groups like Neanderthals and had some chats. Sometimes those chats led to swapping tools or even mixing their genes. That mixing left a piece of their genes in us modern humans. But this skull ain't just a bone, it's a science bombshell. We used to think brainy humans popped up in Africa about 200,000 years ago. That story came from famous fossils like Jebel Irhoud in Africa. Now this skull says the split between brainy humans, Neanderthals, and Denisovans is way older. Maybe it goes back a million years, 500,000 years earlier than we thought. That means our roots might be in Asia, not just Africa. Scientists say this skull's a weird puzzle, full of old and new traits. It shows different humankind mixed and shared their genes. Maybe they fought or teamed up to survive nature's dangers. Imagine Yunxian 2 coming to life, a smart guy battling storms and cold. He makes better tools like sharper spears for easier hunting. Maybe he even came up with a simple language so his tribe could talk. He might have told hunting stories around the fire, passing them down to the next generation. That stuff could have kicked off human culture and storytelling. But this discoveries raise a ton of new questions that we can't answer yet. Are our roots really from Africa or Asia? Maybe other kinds are hiding in our genes waiting to be found. Another skull was found in the same area in 2022, ready to spill more secrets. Some scientists say the skull's rebuild might be a bit exaggerated. But one thing's for sure, this skull's changing the whole human evolution story.
All right, folks, this wild story showed how one old skull can question all of human history. From real finds to sci-fi vibes, this tale makes us wonder where our roots really are. Science is always shifting, and we gotta be ready for new ideas. If you loved this video, smash that like button. Drop a comment with your thoughts. You think our roots are in Asia? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos on science and history secrets.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. I hope you enjoyed our exploration. Until next time, stay curious.